Some renovations completely redefine a home, and this Talahi Island kitchen is one of them. What was once an outdated, inefficient space is now an elegant blend of contemporary design and timeless charm, perfectly complementing the scenic marsh views beyond its walls. Crisp off-white cabinetry and Sedgefield salt creates a bright and inviting atmosphere, while the spacious island offers a perfect balance of function and gathering space. But one of the most exciting features, a hidden scullery designed to keep everyday prep and storage out of sight, ensuring the main kitchen remains a pristine, welcome space for entertaining. From casual mornings to lively dinner parties, this kitchen is now the true center of the home, beautiful, functional, and designed for the way this family lives and entertains. At Kitchen Design Solutions, we believe the best kitchens aren't just built for cooking, they're built for living.